William, and this is the Riverstone Life. And where are we at? We are at Camping World in Anderson, California, where it is 98 degrees. Yes, 98 degrees at 4 o'clock, almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So I've got at least 3 hours of sunshine right now. Thank God, because this is where you're not going to survive if you're here at this time of the day. Why am I here at this time of the day? Because I didn't want to fight the traffic. I didn't want to fight the DOT inspection right down the road tomorrow morning where he's going to be parked at, because that's where he got me last week. So I thought, you know what, I'll get here on Sunday because they said I could stay in the parking lot. So let's show you the parking lot. There's our camper. This is where we're at until 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. So I'm going to crawl up in Sister Wife. I'm going to watch some movies and I'm going to enjoy life. But right now, I got that air conditioner kicking out 643 watts because it's on high right now to get it cool, and then it'll knock itself down after a while too. But once it gets that at the temperature that I set it at, like 70 degrees inside that cab, then it'll knock back down. Then it'll drop down to like 300 watts, and then it'll go down to, I don't know, 80 or 90 watts tonight as it cools down. It really does a great job. It's the first thing that I've used out of all the air conditioners that you can actually set it and it works where you want it to work. But this is why you need solar panels, because right now I'm still putting in 380 watts with the sun that's not even that great right now. It'll probably drop down to like 200 watts here in a little while, but I'm putting a lot in and still using more than I'm putting in right now. But that's the way it is when you got it on high. But once that drops down, usually it'll be about 360 and I'll be putting in 380 or 400 watts. So I'm good until 8 o'clock at night, 8:30 at night. Sometimes it'll drop down to 200 watts, 180 as that sun starts to set and goes down. But it makes a world of difference. It makes a world of difference. So now I go to bed at night and I'm still at 95% or better on my batteries. And you know, if you watched the last video, I got 7,500 watt hours. So if something happens where they don't get me checked in right away, or I'm sitting here for hours, I don't have to start this truck. Any of these trucks that got this DPF system on it, you don't want to idle these trucks. I did that when I first got into this line of work. I idled this truck for that whole first year, learning things, and before you know it, the following year, I had a whole DPF filter system plugged up, cost me $3,900. So when I tell you that this is the way to go, invest $400 in solar panels, get the right battery set up, get everything set up, because if you think you're just gonna run your truck in the air conditioner, you can do that for a while. You can run it in the wintertime and get less than 6 miles per gallon, and diesel at $5.27 I just paid, $5.27. You cannot run these trucks no more at all with what's going on. You've got to be ahead of the game, and that's what we're showing you here on the channel, how to be ahead of the game, how to do this, and how to come out on top and not be one of the people out there that fails at this. This is what makes the difference. Plus, I'm gonna crawl up in here, 70 degrees, comfortable, relax. I'll make me some dinner before that, probably on the Ninja Grill, because I pulled up far enough so that I can drop my tailgate right here, but still not enough where anybody can get in there and get close to the camper. But like I said, I got my security cameras going. They'll notify me if anybody gets close to it. They'll also notify the person when they're walking up to it, letting them know that they're being recorded. You see, and those cameras were like 30 bucks a piece. But you gotta have Starlink. You gotta have the setup for all of that to work. But it makes my life easier. Anybody gets in close to the truck, I know about it. A lot of times before they know about it. Plus, the truck informs them that I know about it, so they have to think twice. This is the advantage, but it took me 2 years and 3 months to get to this level. So think about this stuff. What are we gonna call this video? Oh, solar powers. Yeah, you need solar power. Find a way to put them on here. You know what? You don't need these thick ones. Put those little thin ones, 3 of them across there. You don't have to drill no holes in the top of your truck. They'll fold right up. You'll pop it back out and you'll have 600 watts. But the advantage of that is it'll only let you put 400 in if you're using the Bluetti system, but when the sun goes down, you'll have more panel catching the sun that you got, so you'll consistently get in that 400 watts all the time. Think about that stuff. You won't have to, the only reason these are on here is because it's all I could get at the time because of all the stuff that was going on in the world, and the way this is designed, it folds there without hitting this. It worked. It's like it was made for it, okay? Or I just got lucky. Sometimes William just gets lucky, okay? Yes, I drilled holes just like the last video. I will be showing you all that stuff, but I'm telling you right now, this is what makes you a happy guy. And when you don't mind waiting for people and you can get here and stay in this parking lot and you don't have to fight all that other stuff and those truck stops. I don't want to stay in them stinky ass truck stops and all that mess. It's just not worth it to me. Eat healthy food that you cook yourself. You stay in that truck stop, you're tempted to go in there and grab that crap that's no good for you. You can get a healthy lifestyle. I meet guys and they're like, yeah, I've been a truck driver and man, you're not healthy. It's a choice. Doing it the way I'm doing it, I'm almost 25 pounds down from what I was. I'm feeling better, looking better, I think. Don't say nothing, but I think I'm looking better. I've been on the road for 20 days. What do you expect? So you can eat healthy. You can get yourself a Planet Fitness. You can go work out. You can take showers there. Every time you fill up at Pilots, you can get a free shower there. Heck, I found a shower that only charged 15 bucks. It's a brand new place, and I love that place too. So if I don't have my personal shower out, because I'm really not going to shower at the Camping World parking lot with all the cameras on me, right? That wouldn't be the decent thing to do. So this is where we're at. We're delivering number 12, and we're going back to get more. We're going to do 2 more, day 20. I'm going to be out here for 30 days for sure. I might be out here 40 days so that I can show myself actually working for 30 days with my resets. Thinking about it, can I make it 40 days without my wife? I didn't think I could make it 20 days without Robin. This lifestyle, and I have to throw this in the video, because if you watch my videos and you see all the fun that me and Robin are having, and you jumped into this and you're not experiencing that same thing, well, if you're not doing it with somebody that you want to be around 24/7, sometimes that's hard. I've got guys right now going, you know what, William, my life is great. My wife is happy when I'm on the road. I go out here for 2 weeks. We get a break from each other. We come back. We love each other when we're there, and it's perfect for us. But for me and Robin, we like being around each other. My life is boring without that girl. So yeah, if I make it the 30, 40 days, I know I'll make it 30 days because I promised you I'd make it 30 days, so I'll make it 30 days. But I'm gonna try to make it 40 days or close to that 40-day mark. I wanna show 30 actual days of doing this job without the resets, but let you know that I was out here for 40 days. So when you see that dollar amount, you know exactly what I'm talking about and you know what you're capable of. But when you look at that dollar amount, you look at somebody that's very experienced working these reloads, very good at his time management, and is staying in a truck, not wasting any money, eating his own food where he feels good. And yes, he's got a mattress and a place to sleep where he can sleep just as good as he would if he was at home. So when you get up the next day and you feel refreshed and you're ready to go, it reflects on your numbers and the job. So this is why you need solar power on top of battery power, and you need enough battery power. My generator has 2,000, a little bit less than 2,100 21 amps or 2,100 watts. Let's get this right, per hour, or 21. So that's 2,100. So if you buy a battery that's got 600 or 800, you can see that you still don't have as much as what I've got on that solar generator. Then I've got batteries that are almost 2,800. 2,800, 2 of them. Add that together and I got 7,500 watt amp hours of battery so that I can do a reset with my solar panels and that system. That's how I make this work. I don't worry about charging my phones. I don't worry about watching my TV. I don't worry about running my air. I don't worry about my refrigerator, freezer. I don't worry about my satellite. So when you're thinking about using that battery that you have or batteries, remember, you're still pulling for your refrigerator, you're pulling for all that other stuff. And if you're running it off your truck and your batteries are getting weak or you forget about this stuff, you can wake up with dead batteries in your truck. My system makes sure that my truck is charged up too. So that's the level you want to get yourself at and work yourself up to. Gradually. It's expensive. In my other video, I tell you how much it's going to cost to do that. But work up gradually. Get the generator for like $899 and spend $400 on the solar panels, and then get the charger one. Those are your 3 steps. So you can charge off your truck, charge it up fast, 2-3 hours down the road, it's all charged up. You got your solar power to get you keep going a little longer. And then if you have the room, get another battery. If you have more room, get another battery. You can get by. If you're not gonna do resets in your truck, you can get by with 1 battery and that solar generator and the charger too and the solar panels, just in case your truck breaks down. It's 100 degrees. Your batteries are all charged up. You got your solar power. You got Starlink. You can get a hold of people. I've spent the time doing this and had myself in those positions that I didn't want to be back in those positions ever again. So I know that I can survive, not dying from heat, freezing my butt off, not having communication. These are the things that you need to get as you do this business and build yourself up. And all of this is tax deductible because it's part of your business to do this job to get the most out of it. And we're done. Tomorrow we're back on the road. We'll make another video about the next things that happen. And you know how I end these videos. Always.